Right now, our biotech sentiment is showing a noteworthy spike, with a score of plus 0.20, despite a momentum drop of minus 0.55. This indicates that, while the overall trend is down, there's a growing positive sentiment among key semantic clusters. This divergence is unusual and could signal an upcoming shift in how biotech innovations are perceived. When you tap into our API, you get not just the sentiment score, but also insights into those 19 semantic clusters that drive this sentiment. Imagine you're developing a tool to identify biotech investment opportunities. You could leverage this data to pinpoint specific areas of positive sentiment, allowing you to make informed decisions about which companies or technologies might be gaining traction, even amidst negative momentum. Check out more at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.